exercise 6.520. Show that the right circular cylinder of given surface and maximum volume is such that height is equal to diameter of the base. That means right circular cylinder of given surface. That means surface area. Given surface means surface area is constant. Given means that is a constant. So surface area is a constant. Surface area of a right circular cylinder. What is the surface area of a right circular cylinder? Simply surface area means total surface area. That is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh. 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh. That is a total surface area. That total surface area is a constant. And maximum volume. So what should be maximum? Volume of the cylinder, right circular cylinder. That should be maximum. So volume equal to, we know volume equal to pi r square h. Volume of the cylinder pi r square h. So V is to be maximum and surface area is given to be a constant. So using this we can denote by surface area, we can denote by S, V volume. So S is a constant. So we can, we want to write V as a function of only one variable. So V equal to pi r square h, R and H are two variables. So we have to find when V is maximum, volume is maximum. So we have to write V as a function of only one variable. For that we can write any one variable in terms of S because S is constant given. So in terms of S we can write, eliminate one variable. So it is difficult to eliminate R because from this to find R it is difficult. So from this we can find H because here only in one term there is H. So easy to find H from this S. So we can find that and substitute here. So we get from this S we get H equal to S minus 2 pi r square divided by 2 pi r. So here S minus 2 pi r square equal to 2 pi r h. So H equal to S minus 2 pi r square divided by 2 pi r. So from this S, because given that S is constant, so we can write V as a function of only one variable by eliminating H. So in the place of H we can substitute this value in V. So we get V equal to pi r square into H we can write into S minus 2 pi r square divided by 2 pi r. So we got volume as a function of only one variable R. So here there is only one variable R. S is a constant, given that S is constant. So we wrote V as, now we can simplify this. So here pi can be cancelled and one R can be cancelled. So here we get R by 2. That is equal to R by 2 into S minus 2 pi r square. Now we can, that is V as a function of only one variable R. Now we can do, we can find first derivative. So here we can find first derivative. So V dash, this is a function of only one variable R, V of R, volume as a function of R. Now we can find the derivative with respect to R. Always note down which is the variable, and here see S is also a seems to be a variable but it is constant given that given surface, so surface area is constant. So S is constant and only R is the variable, so we have to differentiate with respect to R. So V dash R equal to, we have to just first here we can open the bracket. So R S by 2 minus 2 pi r cube, pi r square into R, pi r cube, 2 pi r cube by 2. So 2 will be cancelled, so only pi r cube. So Rs by 2 minus pi r cube. Now we can differentiate. So Rs by 2, we are differentiating with respect to R. So here S by 2 constant. So S by 2 into derivative, S by 2 constant, S by 2 into derivative of R, that is 1. So S by 2 into 1 minus, here pi r cube, so pi is a constant, so minus pi into r cube, derivative of r cube with respect to r, 3r square. So into 3r square. So that is a derivative. Now we can find r using v dash r equal to 0. Now we can write v dash r equal to 0 implies this equal to 0. That is s by 2 minus 3 pi r square equal to 0. That means s by 2 equal to 3 pi r square. That is r square equal to, therefore r square equal to s by 6 pi. So r square 3 pi take this side. S by 2 into 3 pi, that is 6 pi. S by 6 pi. So r equal to root of s by 6 pi. So we got r. Now we have to prove that it is maximum or minimum. So for that we have to find the second derivative. Second derivative we double dash r equal to. So this is the first derivative. From this we have to find the second derivative. S by 2 is a constant. So derivative 0. 0 minus. Then here 3 pi r square. So minus 3 pi into derivative of r square. That is 2r. Into 2r. That is equal to minus 6 pi r. Now we have to substitute this value of r. That is equal to minus 6 pi into r root s by root 6 pi. Root of s by 6 pi means root s by root 6 pi. So cancelling this we get minus here root s into root 6 pi. That is minus root of 6 pi s. That is less than 0. So minus root 6 pi s, that is less than 0. So we proved that this function v of r is maximum. Less than 0 means maximum. So we can write therefore we can write v is maximum. We want maximum volume. When volume is maximum, we have to prove that height is equal to diameter of the base. So when r equal to root of s by 6 pi, we proved that since the second derivative is less than 0, v is maximum when r equal to root of s by 6 pi. Now only thing we want to do is we have to prove that in that case height is equal to diameter. So we got radius. Now we can find the height h, and we can prove that that is equal to 2r. h, what is h? h equal to s minus 2 pi r square by 2 pi r. So we can find the h. h equal to s minus 2 pi r square divided by 2 pi r. Now for that, see, we got r equal to root of s by 6 pi. And from where we got that r square equal to s by 6 pi. And s equal to 6 pi r square. So we can substitute s equal to 6 pi r square here. So 6 pi r square minus 2 pi r square, 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square divided by 2 pi r. So 2 pi we can cancel, 4 by 2, 2. 1 r also we can cancel, so we got r. So we got h equal to 2r. Then write the answer. So we got r equal to root of s by 6 pi, and we got h equal to 2r. That is what we want to prove. Height is equal to diameter. 2r means that is a diameter. So we proved that when volume is maximum, volume is maximum when height is equal to 2r. So write the answer, conclusion. Now see the question number 21. Now see question number 21. Of all closed cylindrical cans of given volume of 100 cubic centimeter, find the dimensions of the can which has minimum surface area. So what should be minimum surface area? Surface area of the closed cylindrical can. So closed cylinder, what is the surface area of the cylinder? So we can write the surface area of the cylinder. What is surface area of the cylinder? Surface area S equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh. That is the total surface area of the cylinder. Now that we have to find when that surface area is minimum. And what is given? Volume is given as 100 cubic centimeter. So volume of the cylinder is given 100. So given that V equal to 100 cubic centimeter, that is centimeter cube. So volume is given 100 and S equal to, we know surface area of the cylinder, total surface, simply surface area means total surface area, equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh. This surface area is to be minimum. So we are here S, which function is to be maximum or minimum? First write the function as function of only one variable. Here there are two variables r and h. Therefore we have to eliminate one variable using the given constant v. Here given that volume of the cylinder, that is pi r square h. Given that pi r square h equal to 100. So using that we can write the, here we can eliminate one variable using this volume. So here from this easy to find h, because here only in one place we have to substitute h. But if you are finding r, two places, two terms we have to substitute. So it is easy to substitute h in this. So find h from this. So h equal to 100 by pi r square. So we have to substitute here. To eliminate one variable, we have to write s equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r into h. h is 100 by pi r square. So h equal to 100 pi r square. Now we can simplify. So 1 pi we can cancel and 1 r we can cancel, and 200 by r. So 2 pi r square plus 200 by r. 200 by r. So we got s as a function of one variable r. Now we can, now same method. Now we can first differentiate. S dash r equal to derivative 4 pi r 2 pi into 2r 4 pi r plus 200 into derivative of 1 by r, that is minus 1 by r square, into minus 1 by r square, that is 4 pi r minus 200 by r square. Now we can write s dash r equal to 0 implies 4 pi r equal to 200 by r square. Now from that we can find, therefore 4 pi r cube, 4 pi r cube equal to 200. Therefore r cube equal to 200 divided by 4 pi. So here 50 by pi, that is equal to 50 by pi. Therefore r equal to 50 by pi all raised to 1 by 3. So we got radius. Now we have to prove that it is minimum. We want the surface area to be minimum. So for that we have to find the second derivative. S double dash r equal to, this is first derivative. We can find the second derivative from that. That is 4 pi into derivative of r1 minus, so 4 pi minus 200 into derivative of 1 by r square, that is minus 2 into r raised to minus 3. Now substitute this value of r in this and show that it is minimum. Minimum means for minimum second derivative should be greater than 0. So just to substitute r equal to r in this and show that that is here minimum, so greater than 0. We have to show that this is greater than 0, positive. After that what we have to prove? We have to find the dimensions of the can. That means we have to find the dimensions of the cylinder. That means we have to find r and h. So first to find r we got. Now find h from this relation 100 by pi r square. From that find h, and only that we have to do. Find r and h. That is the answer. Okay.